my name is Elizabeth Wagner. I'm a former Washington resident with family living there currently and a research analyst with the Johns Hopkins Center for Gun Violence Solutions. I'm here today on behalf of the center to speak in support of HB 1163. Several studies have found that permit to purchase laws, or PTP, are associated with reductions in several different measures of gun violence: homicide, suicide, mass shootings, and shootings of and by law enforcement officers. Our research has found that combining point-of-sale background checks and a PTP system can be powerful. A 2020 study found that Connecticut, after adopting a PTP law, saw significant reductions in gun homicide and suicide. Conversely, Missouri, after it repealed its law, saw significant increases in gun homicide and suicide. If Washington had adopted a law like Connecticut's in 1995, an estimated 1,200 gun deaths could have been prevented over 10 years. Gun violence costs Washingtonians around $10.5 billion annually, and the modest cost of implementation is justified by the lives and money saved, offset by permit fees and long-term funding. Accordingly, the Johns Hopkins Center for Gun Violence Solutions respectfully requests a favorable committee report on HB 1163.
The State Patrol is unequipped to process and store the sensitive data that would be redundantly collected, exposing Washington gun owners to extreme cybersecurity risks and identity theft. There is no conclusive evidence that permit-to-purchase schemes effectively reduce gun crime or violence. An analysis by the Crime Prevention Research Center showed that states without these laws do not experience higher rates of violent crime than states with the laws. The prolific offenders, gangsters, drug traffickers, and juvenile thrill seekers behind Washington's gun violence would not be impacted whatsoever. Imposing onerous permitting requirements to exercise a civil right is a tax to influence people to not exercise that right. Consider if we required permits and fingerprinting to purchase Bibles or Qurans to curb religious radicalism. Should people of color or women need to get fingerprinted, provide physical descriptions, waive their HIPAA rights, or apply for a permit to purchase or exercise their 15th or 19th Amendment rights? Please vote no on 1163.